exactly what is going on. Hold on, I gotta make sure I'm still live. Okay, yeah, I'm still live with it then. Let's go. So what we gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go to Bandlab. Actually, let me show y'all the home page. So Bandlab is actually an app for independent artists who make music independently. So how you would start to make a track, a song track, you would press this plus button at the bottom down here. Now they got a couple of options. Quick start is for you to just go straight into the mixer. Recent projects is for you to pull up any old project you did or anything like that. The looper is to create a beat from the loops that they have on file. Sample is the same thing. You can create samplers from the mix and you create your own sampler and then make it in the cache. Import is to import tracks that you've already made or beats that you have that you want to rap to. Guitar and bass is just the guitar sounds or strings, different guitar strings, different bass strings. So to mix and master, what we're going to do, we're not going to import anything. We're going to do voice audio. We could do quick start. Actually, we'll do quick start. So in quick start, you have no voice, no instruments, pretty much everything I just mentioned earlier. These are what you can press to input the song, no, not the song, the voice track or instrumental track. So we're going to do voice and audio. Now, here's the meat and potatoes of mixing. So when you record, I'm just going to say something simple. Fantastic music. Oh, well, they won't let me record while I'm shooting, and that's understandable. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna go to a different song. Now you can save any projects that you've done or discard them if you don't want to work on them anymore. I'm gonna discard this, and we're gonna open up something that was already open, like my homie Ghost that I rap with all the time. He just sent me this track, so I'm gonna open it up. Actually, I can't open this one because it's gonna do the same thing. Let's do something I did already, like what, what, what. Let's go to my projects. Your projects are all the projects that you've done solo. Collaborations are projects that people have done in your group or have invited you to. Band projects are projects created in your band. And like music is all the music that you like. Anybody music, your own music, doesn't matter. Any pictures, playlists, albums goes in your likes. And your deleted projects, that's where everything is stored. So my projects, I did a song called No Cap. Let's do that one. So let's open up No Cap. Now these have the sound tracks that I was trying to explain in the last one. So before you mix the FX, and that's pretty much like the sound effects, FX, to get to the FX on any track. So we're going to do this track 11, though we're not going to use it. That track that you're going to edit, and it's going to give you options. Delete those 2 pages of copy. I never used that circle thing, but I'm guessing it's loop or something like that. And then you got these 3 dots on the far right hand side. That's what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and hit those 3 dots. You're going to denoise that, and it's going to take out all of the extra noise and everything like that. And after you denoise all of your tracks, it's going to take out all of that extra noise, all of that air. You're going to press these 3 levels at the lower left here, and then you're going to press those 3 dots on the soundtrack, on the track, and it's going to say something like move all that. We don't want to touch that. So what you're going to do, entirety of the sound bit. Now you have auto pitch and FX. FX is what we're going to work on. So obviously, because I'm not playing anything, and then once you pick it for all of your tracks, you're going to save here at the top hand right here. This track is already saved, so we're not going to save it. I'm just giving you an example. We're going to save that. I made a change to the track, but I'm not going to save it, so I'm going to discard that. But you want to save it. Once you get done saving, here's the mastering part. Bandlab comes complete with its own editing and mastering. We just did the editing part. This is the mastering part. You're going to press these 3 dots on the right hand here, and it's going to say edit mastering. Hit that. Shut up, page 1. Shut up, page 1. Hey, I'm feeling your beats, man. Now it gives you 4 different types of mastering: universal, clarity, tape, and fire. Let me explain the difference. Universal, it pretty much enhances your track, but it doesn't take out the sketchiness and it doesn't make it clear, like real clear. Clarity condenses the track where it makes it sound clear. Your verse or whatever you're rapping or singing, it makes that very clear. Tape, it makes it sound like when you plug it up to a speaker in a car, it doesn't give it that natural jam you're looking for. It's generic. Barely hear yourself. And once you choose which one you want, go ahead and press apply. I'm not going to change that because we already got a mastering on that. And that's pretty much how you guys mix and master on Bandlab. I'm going to shoot another video the next 20 minutes to show you guys how to upload albums and playlists. It's been fun. It's your boy Fantastix. Catch us on another video. Peace.